Unit digit pattern questions, a really cool question type on the GRE, and there's something especially difficult they can try to throw at you in multiple answer questions, even with variables. Will this seem tricky? Yes. Is there a cool way to deal with this problem? Yes, and I'm happy to show it to you, so let's jump right in. All right, let's jump in. If n is a positive integer, what could be the units digit of 37 to the n power? Select all that apply. This is a cool problem. Don't worry about the exponent, that it's a variable. Really what this is testing on, do you know the unit digit pattern of a base of 7? If you don't have it memorized, it's okay. There's a very simple way to deal with it, and you just start off by taking 7, you raise it to the first power, you get a 7. To get the units digit of 7 to the 2, you raise 7 to the second power, that's going to give you a 49. Now, to get 7 to the 3, sure, we could multiply 49 by 7 again, but remember, we just care about the units digit. So ignore the 4, take that 9, multiply by 7. You notice you end up with a 63, so the units digit there is 3. Same deal with 7 to the 4. 63 times 7 gives you a 20, or excuse me, not 63, we're just going to do the 3, right? Times 7 gives you 21. There's the units digit. And you keep going until the pattern finishes. Well, check this out. 1 times 7 to do 7 to the 5th power. That gives you a units digit of 7. So what we found is we have a repeating pattern of 4. The pattern is simply 7, 9, 3, 1. So it doesn't matter. You can use any value you want for n. Eventually, you're going to get a 7, 9, 3, and a 1. There's no other possible units digit for the base of 7. We proved that by finding the pattern. So the correct answer here is 7, 9, 3, and 1. And that's it.